Hello, my name is Naveen Raji Epen and I am presenting this video on account of the internship I did with SmartBridge on AI. My project title is Intelligent Customer Help Desk with Smart Document Understanding. Let us first understand the problem with a regular chatbot. A regular chatbot only provides answers to a predetermined set of questions that has been introduced by the programmer. But by using artificial intelligence, the chatbot can answer questions based on the product by referring to the owner's manual on the product, thus minimizing the involvement of a customer care specialist. So, in order to do the project, we are using IBM Cloud Services, which contains a number of functions that can be used. The services we use are IBM Cloud Functions, Watson Assistant, which is IBM's personal assistant, Watson Discovery Services to train the assistant based on AI, and Node-RED to create a web page and user interface without HTML coding. Now, let's move on to the technical part of our project. Initially, sign into your IBM Cloud account. From the dashboard, go to Resource List and open Discovery under Services. Click on Launch Watson Discovery. Here, you can see that I have uploaded a data called the owner's manual. When I click on it, you can see the details about the training done using this data. You can also see the sentimental analysis data within this page. Now click on Configure Data. Now we can see the owner's manual that I have uploaded. By highlighting specific parts of the data, the computer can understand the parts of the manual. For example, we have highlighted the title, subtitles and text and highlighted all unwanted data as that footer. We need to do this for every page of the owner's manual, but eventually the system will learn which is important and what is not, and we just need to check and submit each page separately. And always remember to label the warranty and licensing agreements as footers. Once that is done, go to Manage Fields tab and select what we need. In here, we need the subtitle and text. So select those as on. Now go back to the IBM Cloud Resource List and launch Watson Assistant. Here, under the Customer Care tab, you can see the Customer Care Sample Skill. Click on that. Now, a list of sample customer inquiries is already given by the Watson Assistant. For product-specific questions, I have created a new intent called Product Information. Here you can see the questions I have already given to the Watson Assistant. After that, open the Functions tab in your dashboard and click on the Actions tab on your sidebar. Click on Discovery Functions to see the code that I have typed. You can also see the parameters I have given for each part of the code in the Parameters tab. The parameter values are copied from Watson Discovery Service. From the Watson Discovery Service page, click on the icon indicating API and paste these values into the parameter value section. Now, click on the Endpoints tab to see the URL that can be used to link a Watson Assistant to the web page. Now go to the Watson Assistant web page and select the dialog tab on the sidebar. The various dialog nodes can be seen here. I have created a Ask About Product node for the device queries. When I click on the Ask About Product node, you can see the various conditions I have given. After that, click on Customize and enable webhooks to link your assistant to the web page and select Apply. Now we can try out our assistant. Ask a few questions to know if the chatbot is working properly. If you're satisfied with the chatbot's performance, we can move on to the user interface part. Open your Node-RED application from IBM Cloud Foundry apps. And click Go to your Node-RED Flow editor. Here you can see the flow that I have created. We have an input node and an output node and two function nodes in between. Our assistant is called the customer care node. We have called the input as you and the output as bot. Here give our service endpoint a workspace ID. Once that is over, click on Done. Now click on Deploy to create our web page. Now open our web page. Hence, we have successfully created a chatbot interface. Now let's test it out. As you can see, the chatbot is replying to generic questions. Now to test out product specific questions. We can see that the chatbot is answering the questions perfectly. Hence, we have successfully linked our Watson Assistant to our web page. Thank you for watching this video. For the source code and project details, visit my GitHub repository linked below in the description. A special thanks to the team at SmartBridge and our mentors for giving us all the guidance we needed. Have a great day.